Hello and welcome back to the channel. Quick video today because the sink's blocking again and it's in a bit of a state. Now what hopefully you can also see is I've got quite a selection of brushes here, and these brushes are very much like the sort of brushes you might use to clean a baby's bottle, and there's quite a few in there. So we'll use a couple of those and see if we can get that unblocked and the water flowing again. So let's dive straight in and see what we're dealing with. Yeah. I'm going to start off with a small brush and just see, oh wow, just see what we can pull out of here. Now if this doesn't work, I'll just get a bigger brush. This really doesn't smell too great. So even though I've pulled all that out, it's still not really draining. That water is still just sitting there. Let's see if we can get much more out before we try and clear those holes through the plug hole, because the last thing I want to do is just push all this simply through, because you know half the time you end up actually just moving the problem. Although in saying that, the actual pipe work out to the drains is much bigger than some of these smaller holes just in the plug hole. But either way, let's just try and get as much of this out as possible and we'll go from there. But this is properly clogged up. Great, just for putting down those smaller holes in the plug hole and just pulling even more out. It's not just pushing them through, it is gripping onto some of the stuff and pulling it back so we can get it out and properly clean it. Now that's a bit more like it. Thanks very much for joining me again on the channel. Got a little bit of cleaning up to do now, as you can see. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon with some more videos.